What's up, everybody? Welcome back to The Grow. We've been getting a lot of questions lately, and probably our most commonly asked question is, where do we get our seeds from? So to answer that quickly, True Leaf Market. We've been getting our seeds there for quite a while, always have really nice results. So right here, we've got a couple varieties that we just wanted to show you, kind of give you guys an idea of what you can kind of expect when you buy seeds from them. Let's take a look at them. So here we've got an agnostic broccoli. This is about an 83% germination rate here. Really nice canopy, I'm not seeing any yellow. The seeds have all fallen off really nice. And this is a variety that I can expect to get about 8 ounces off of a tray in about 14 days. You guys don't want to ever buy seeds that are less than about 80%. You can find the germination rate right here on the tag. True Leaf does a really nice job of putting that information out there for you guys. So if you're not sure, or if you're going to buy in bulk, I would highly recommend calling up to True Leaf, asking their customer support team exactly what the germination rate is of the varieties that you intend to purchase, so that you know if you should buy in bulk at that time or maybe go with a different distributor. We've tried a couple different distributors, but our experience with True Leaf has been by far the best so far. So this next tray that I have right here is purple radish. Purple radish is one of my all-time favorites to grow. Chefs really like this because of the color. And it also yields really well, and it grows really quickly. If you look really closely right here, all the seeds have fallen off really nicely. And I typically like to harvest radish right around the 12-ish day mark. If I let them grow into the 14-day period, the tops will start to get a little bit discolored. So about 10 to 12 days is perfect for these. And as I look at the top of this canopy right here, it just looks really nice. So I'm very happy with these. Nasturtiums are another one of my favorites to grow. The peppery flavor, the way that these things smack you is unreal. Like, you wouldn't really think that a leaf this big would have that much flavor. It's a very popular variety. This canopy is super nice and even, really nice bright forest green. We do want to go ahead and harvest these before too long, because if you let them get too tall, they'll fall over and it kind of makes a mess to try and harvest through. But this is exactly the result that I hope for whenever I grow these, so I'm definitely very happy with this crop. Right here we've got a basic salad blend. This is arugula, broccoli, cabbage, and kale. And it's a huge favorite for home consumers. Folks like to buy this at the farmer's market a lot. I've had a lot of people tell me that once they've tried this blend in their salad, they're not able to just have a salad with only lettuce anymore, because they say it doesn't taste the same. With this blend, I will go ahead and harvest this before about day 14, because anything over that, you'll kind of start to see the same issues as with the radish. The tops will start to get a little bit discolored, kind of start turning yellow, and get these little like brownish black spots on the top. So you want to harvest these right at about the 12 to 14 day period. Should give you a really nice yield. And then right here we've got red Swiss chard. I really like the red Swiss chard. I always have really good germination rates with the red Swiss chard. It tastes a lot like the bull's blood beets. The seeds come off really nice, and the tops of these greens stay a really nice forest green instead of kind of turning that weird red color that the tops of the beets get. So anything in the beet or Swiss chard family can be a real booger trying to get them off. You can spend a lot of time having to pick the seeds off. So this is one that you're going to want to call ahead of time and check on the germination rate. Make sure that it's in the 90% range, and you should be good to order in bulk. This right here is sunflower. Sunflower used to give me a really hard time when I was first figuring it out. For a lot of folks, this is one of the easiest varieties to grow. What made the difference for me was using the stack method and adding a garden brick, and you should get really nice full even germination. As I look at this particular crop right here, everything is looking really nice. We should get a really nice heavy yield off this. As I'm looking at the tops, the quality of these sunflowers is excellent. We are going to have to go through, use our little swipe method, kind of wipe these seeds off just a little bit and let them continue to fall off. But this is exactly what I'm looking for in my sunflowers. And then cilantro, another one that you want to call and check on the germination rate. I usually go with the slow bolt as opposed to the leisure splits, but the leisure splits do really good as well. Sometimes the leisure splits will turn yellow a little bit fast in the slow bolt, so I try and keep that really nice forest green. And so I choose the slow bolt over the leisure split. That's just a personal preference. But this is a little bit of slow bolt right here. I'm not seeing any type of rot holes or patches or anything like that. This is a really, really nice thick canopy right here. And the seeds have really started to fall off, which is a nice thing, because with cilantro, if you don't let it grow until the true leaves have really become defined all the way across the tray, you'll notice that there'll be a lot of seeds left on these things. And whenever you go to harvest, you're going to be picking through lots of seeds, and that can be a super headache. So the fact that the majority of these seeds have fallen off, we've got a really nice germination rate right here. I'm super happy with this cilantro. And then pea tendrils. I prefer to grow these Fila smaller pea tendrils with the twirl instead of the taller straight sugars or dwarfs or the taller straight shoot pea tendrils. I kind of stay away from those. We do have a couple clients that grow those, but this variety right here is the variety that I sell the most out of any variety here on the farm. So really happy with all these crops. These are all seeds that I got on the last shipment when I ordered my seeds. And I just kind of wanted to give you guys an idea of what you can kind of expect when it comes to quality when you buy your seeds from True Leaf. So thank you so much for watching. If you would like to continue the conversation about microgreens, whether you're just getting started or you'd like to talk a little bit about something that you're having some trouble with, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I would love to talk with you. Appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on the next one.